Hello everybody, welcome to the Infinite Cup. My name is Robert. In this video, we're going to talk about lucid dreaming. I'm going to talk about my experiences and teach you how to lucid dream every single time. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. You don't want to miss this. All right, welcome to the Infinite Cup. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I make videos about spirituality, health, lifestyle. It's all here. So if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss a thing. Right on, let's do this. So, lucid dreaming, this is such a cool thing, right? First, let's talk about what that even is, right? We all have dreams at night, and lucid dreaming is when you're actually in your dreams, you're aware that you're dreaming, and you start to control your dreams, okay? Let's talk about what the dream state is first. This is how you get out of your body into your astral body. When we're dreaming, we're actually in our astral body, traveling interdimensionally and gathering information. You ever notice that gravity doesn't exist, or time, or space? You can seem to be just float, or people have flying dreams. That's because you're not in the third dimension anymore. Third dimensional reality has gravity, time, space, and when we dream and get out of our bodies, those laws are no longer bound to us. It's awesome. It's actually really addicting. I'm just gonna throw that warning out there right now. It's super addicting because when you realize you're no longer bound by gravity, you just fly, you do whatever you want. It's super funny. I get into like Tarzan mode. I start jumping on the power lines and like doing flips and climbing trees and just doing everything. I'm a really active person, and it's just a lot of fun. So lucid dreaming, this is how you do it every single time. I'm gonna give you my number one top tip, okay? You need to get a dream journal. You need to write down your dreams every single day. You do this for a few months. Right when you wake up, just get that dream journal out and just write down what you dreamt, okay? This is gonna help you remember your dreams every single time, okay? We have guides, angels, our ancestors, so many people. I like to call it our galactic family. They are actually contacting us all the time, especially through our dreams, okay? I like to tell this story. You never wonder, you know, when you have a dream and it's like, oh, you're crossing the road and maybe it's like a red car that you get hit by and then you just wake up. You notice you can never die in your dreams either, right? So you hit that red car, then you just wake up. And then the next day in your waking state, you're walking around and all of a sudden you see that same red car, right? That's because we are all psychics. That's your higher self trying to tell you through a dream what's gonna happen, right? There's no such thing as time. That's just a third dimensional perspective. Time is not real, okay? So this is how you get to lucid dream, so you get that kind of information so you can use it in your everyday waking life, okay? The trick is, okay, is to be selfless about this, right? I'll be honest, I've had a lot of lucid dreams where I did selfish things. You can do drugs in your dreams, you can actually have sex, you can have multiple partner sex, you can do all kinds of crazy stuff, and it's very addicting because you don't have the laws, right, that we do from the third dimension that you do in the astral realm, meaning I can do pretty much whatever I want in the astral realms and I'm not gonna get hurt or I'm not gonna die. So you actually just do a lot of things that you don't do here on the third dimension, okay? So I want to teach you guys how to lucid dream every single time. First, you need to learn how to meditate. If you have a meditation practice, stick with it. This is going to teach you how to breathe. It's going to teach you how to relax. We need to become conscious breathers. Once we have that oxygen into our system and we are able to relax fully, this is how you leave your body and actually control it rather than just some random dream, and you can actually do this every single time, okay? So step one was get that dream journal. Step two is actually meditate. Get into that meditative state, especially before you go to bed. And my third tip, okay, I'm all about affirmations. Affirmations save my life. So literally while I'm lying in there in bed, I'm like, I am going to lucid dream. I'm going to remember my dreams. I'm going to lucid dream. I'm going to remember my dreams. I'm chanting that over and over and over as my affirmation while I'm lying in bed, right? I'm setting the intention right before I go to bed. That way, when I'm in that sleep mode, I'm going to pop out and travel all out the dimensions, okay? I'm gonna pop out and travel through all the dimensions because it's fun and I can learn from my galactic family, my angels, my guides, and bring that information back here on Earth to share with you all beautiful people. So that's how you do it, okay? Those 3 steps, that's all you gotta do in order to follow this and get in touch with your higher self and all this information so you can use it in your everyday waking life. Cool guys, that's it. This is how we lucid dream. Let's do this, baby. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you learned anything, please hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking below, and I'll check you later. Blessings.